A city that survived for over 1,000 years fell in a single morning. Not because its walls were weak, but because the world had changed and it didn't realize it in time. For centuries, Constantinople was more than a city. It was the heart of an empire, the bridge between Europe and Asia. Merchants crowded its markets. Church bells echoed through its streets. Its people believed they were safe. After all, if the city hadn't fallen in 1,000 years, why would it fall now? But far beyond the walls, something was already moving toward them. Two men stood on opposite sides of history. One was Constantine the 11th, the last Byzantine emperor, brave, loyal, and painfully aware that his empire existed mostly in memory. The other was Mehmed II, only 21 years old, young, ambitious, and determined to conquer Constantinople, no matter the cost. One man was defending the past, the other was building the future. Only one of them would be remembered as the victor. When Mehmed's army arrived, many inside the city weren't afraid. They had seen sieges before. They had survived them all. But this time, something was different. Mehmed brought massive cannons, weapons powerful enough to shatter stone walls once thought unbreakable. Each blast echoed across the city. Each strike left new cracks behind. Still, many believed the walls would hold. Historians now agree this was the moment everything could have been stopped. The siege dragged on for weeks. Inside the city, defenders were exhausted. Supplies ran low. Hope slowly faded. Outside the walls, Mehmed adapted. When his ships were blocked from the harbor, he made a bold decision. He dragged them over land, straight into the city's protected waters. Overnight, Constantinople realized something terrifying. Their enemy was not just powerful, he was unstoppable. And then, the final plan was set in motion. Before dawn, Mehmed launched his final assault. Wave after wave pressed forward. Defenders fought without rest. During the chaos, a small gate was left unsecured, a tiny mistake, barely noticed at the time. But history often turns on the smallest details. Enemy forces poured into the city. Emperor Constantine removed his royal armor. He chose to fight as a common soldier. By sunrise, the impossible had happened. Constantinople had fallen. With the city's capture, the Byzantine Empire ended. An empire that had lasted over 1,000 years disappeared in a single day. Mehmed entered the city as a conqueror, not to destroy it, but to claim it. Constantinople became his capital. Over time, its name would change, and the balance of power in the world shifted forever. But here's the part most people never hear. The fall of Constantinople cut Europe off from its main trade routes to Asia. Spices, silk, wealth, all suddenly harder to reach. So Europe looked elsewhere. This single event helped spark the age of exploration. It pushed nations toward the seas, toward new routes, toward new worlds. In a quiet way, the fall of one city helped shape the modern world. Constantinople didn't fall because its walls failed. It fell because the world changed, and it didn't change fast enough with it. Empires don't collapse overnight. They collapse when they believe yesterday's strength will protect them tomorrow. And that is how one morning in 1453 reshaped the future of humanity.